At Treetops House in the lounge, we have a 50-inch Smart HD TV, which is ultra high definition. To use this, you just need the remote control. Just push the red button and that'll activate the television. It will load up into whatever program you were watching last. So here we have BBC Two HD. Now, once this is loaded, you can go into the list of programs to select whichever you like by pushing the list button here. That list button will update a channel list that's currently showing which shows are on, and you'll see that there's a cursor. You can use this to select a program, and then you have the OK button in the middle here, or you can use it like a mouse scroll to scroll down on here, or you can just use the up and down arrows like a traditional remote control, and then you just push OK in the middle to select whichever program you like. To go into Netflix, just push the Netflix button here, and that will load up Netflix. Here you are, select lounge, and then you can use the up and down arrows to select whichever show you like. These are all free for you to use and provided. If you wish to come out of here, you can push the home button here, and that will load up the LG screen at the bottom, and you can then select different apps here along the bottom. So if you have an iPlayer account, you can load up into these. And here, if we scroll down, we can go back into live TV. So just select live TV here, push OK, and let's go back into Freesat. Once you finish using the television, just power it off using the power button at the top here. And that's how to use the LG TV in the lounge downstairs. Thank you.